Hero.
Yo.
And for talk, couple years ago when she look Twep, you know. And I said, only for money go get Twep, you know. That's what for talk about, you know.
Lord God, lava. Jesus
Yeah, man,
Christ.
that's for talk about.
Oh, God, lava. Nobody are foolish now, lava.
No, I'm in a business, bro.
Lava, nobody are foolish. Oh, God, no,
I'm
lava.
business.
Lava, shall go get vexed, lava.
I'm in a business, bro.
Lava.
Yeah.
Bro, man never get no money out of it.
Duh.
Me, God, lava, too out of that.
Fuck
Me
you,
not like
anybody
this here.
Yes, Joe, I get money out of it.
Lava, me not like this here, lava.
But listen, it's like afterwards, when the money start coming,
Yeah.
Twep make it look like say she not there with nobody. You get where I come from?
No, me not do them sitting here in the lava.
Yeah, man.
Lava, me not do them something here, lava.
Yeah.
Lava, I mix up them
And a
something
bag
here,
to Twep on phone. When Twep
Yes,
say she can't buy it amount, a bag to Twep on phone be done. You get where I come from?
Yeah, that girl never got my money. That girl never ever got my money.
Hero.
Yeah.
Them say you don't send no sense.
Lava on a ramp. No, where you say lava? Yeah, this. I want somebody to this or this it to me. Can you this
No,
me and I
no,
quiet,
but you
you
don't
know?
listen to me.
What you say? About dance now.
Them
Yeah,
say you
listen.
don't send no sense. Talk
Yeah.
the truth. Dan never used to get Twep money. Hero. Hold on, they don't answer yet. Don't answer yet. Don't answer yet. Going to a brighter light. Hero.
Yo.
Dan never used to get Twep money.
Where's the lava?
Hero. Dan never used to get Twep money. Hero.
Lava.
Dan never used to get Twep money.
So what are they? What are they, lava? What are
What's
they?
high side? What's high side? What's high side?
No, me ask you something. No, me ask you something first. Let me ask you something first. Let me ask you something first.
Yeah.
Where you get Bible from?
I always walk in my Bible.
Okay.
You know, read Jamaican now, I can look a pocket Bible, man, in my back
Yeah.
pocket. Yeah.
All right, me tell you what go on with that on Twep now.
Right.
Pretty than this sending money, yes.
Ah, thank you.
But me not done talk. Me not done talk. But she get you right back.
Oh, she get it back.
Cause Camille go pick you up back. Camille pick up your money right back.
Yeah. Watch out over there, look at your mix. That what I done right now.
Yeah, other.
Yeah.
Yo, I just want to tell you, yo, yesterday there's a lot of joke I'm running on, but not with my wife. Yesterday,
We're not gonna joke with the wife.
oh. A one woman can ever say she spend my money. One.
Plus, Bumbo
Yes,
that before coming. Bumbo that before coming.
No, me used to take it as a joke, but not tonight, man. Oh, you see that woman when I'm room? I said, only girl me ever give money. You hear me? Not even the woman I did with for 3 years. Me never give money yet. Me, no man.
Yeah, I say you mean.
Me sound like a buckless man right now. Let me show you. You see me? Me no mind girl and it sound bad. But me, Camila the only woman who can tell us that me
So
ever
all them
give her
woman
money.
they never give no money yet?
Oh, you blood clot eat that lava? What the
You
fuck
walk
look
this
like?
out, you piece of work this cutlass.
Oh, let me tell you something, lava. Me on Capricorn, you know. You see, me you not live on my yard, me not give no blood clot money. Let me tell you that straight. Me mean you fuck. Notice
No, but me a Capricorn. Me a Capricorn too.
Oh, lava.
Hold on. Before we get this up, what time you something I start?
No, me I in a night after year when me I can look for you, then me I come down on my thing. But me
Okay,
never
okay.
want to tell you, say me I come up there. Because you know I
Okay.
ship up and
Yeah,
pull
come
up
on,
on
yeah,
you.
man. Buy your back. How much I send my back for?
Like why you? Just give me 400 now. Yo. Fuck
You
that,
know
fuck.
what? You know what? I can start when I say you cost ear rise back price pan you know.
No,
You tell me, yeah, ear rise
I
back price
like.
pan you.
Era, me never say you raise it. What year?
What's that?
Era, me pay for everybody.
Alright, I'm gonna add ear now. I'm gonna add ear. Stay ready, I'm add ear. Kid, don't worry about that, kid. Kid, what my 50 that you're supposed to give me from last week? That you need to worry about. The girl sent $100 cash out money pull up, and me supposed to get $50 out of it. Talk about that, kid, before you type anything on the rascal wall. You must think some of them my $50. And the $200 when up in a wadi, you call him from chat and laugh and say you sponsor $200. Kid, I know I get that $200 from you. We're over Lucky Fabulous Party wadi, kid. And the girl get the $100, I'm supposed to get the $50 out there. Me not getting the $50 all no, kid. So talk about that. Talk about that. You must suck yourself if you have cash up. Okay, me not a cash up, kid. Know yourself. Yeah, man. Talk about that, kid. Akeem. Yeah, me I said to you, before we talk about Dan, when they want parties in, Lucky Fabulous Party at Queens. The girl send $100 money pull up and say, kid, forgive me the $50, him take $50, and nobody get the $50 from kid.
Yeah.
Get where I come from?
Yeah.
What do you again with over chat and laugh, we'll give you some stuff. I'm link him on the live and say, I give $200. I know I'm going to get that $200 there. Me have to pay $200 out of my pocket.
I saw him this year.
I saw him stay. I saw him stay. Okay, anything sent to my catch up is mine. Okay, so you trick me.
Pretti down here, blood clot liar left. If lava not shoot, let me shoot. If lava not shoot, call lava sister, you get serious. So lava stop blood clot, tell you.
Easy. No, man.
Donna Wally, but you take care. Allow me alone, lava. If me start blood clot lie, leave me alone. Wait.
No, please. No, lower. My beg to that son, man. Lower down, please.
No, you bet here.
But you know what, we're going to down place and then rise the liquor pan way?
Rise which liquor pan way? Price which liquor?
Rise the price.
Another place, another party, than book fee party.
Oh,
and we now go buy no liquor. Because we are roll out today tonight and we now buy no liquor.
All right then.
All right.
Beat the germs.
Pretti done.
Beat the germs.
But me beat a blood clot lava. Can I look like Camille last time shoes and Pretti done finey?
What do you mean?
Because Pretti done a move like Camille Cinderella. Because as we say about Camille, she get serious. Pretti done a whole heap of girl give money. You get Twep.
No, Hero, cool.
Wait.
You know that.
Three little careless girl about 40 days and I'm out of pocket to same way, but I don't remember their name.
Which part?
Up a Fort Lauderdale.
Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Hero, lower that.
Lava.
Hero, lower that.
Lava, you see like how you have man clown. Him a man / woman every blood clot clown.
Shadow star.
Lava.
Yeah?
Well, I know. I'm afraid still, you know.
Yeah, I'm friends.
She in love. She in love.
Me like that though.
Hmm?
Yo, me saw one video with Pretti done like 10 years ago. Sick my stomach.
Lava not talk about that.
Jesus, peace.
Lava. Me say one. Pretti done favor hyena.
Pussy clap.
No.
Right now, Pretti than.
No, but now tell him.
Hold on it. Hold on. Before anything, Pretti than I make money now, and Pretti than look totally different. It's like a makeover. Pretti than a buzz right now. Me nah lie.
To you? What you got there just say to me, Lava?
No, man, Dan a buzz now.
No, you can't. Me can't see man and say man a buzz.
What?
Me can't see Dan a buzz.
No, man, Dan a buzz, man. Dan a buzz.
Dan, okay, you make money now a long time. Me I get make money than me a thief a long time and go to jail. Police beat me, people beat me. A long time my brother-in-law beat me because my thief out in clothes. You just start thief. Ling Ling. Ling Ling. Ling Ling. This is a nice supermarket here. This is a blood-clad market to sell fruits and them things. The Ling Ling. We not worry about your money, you know, for what you me you tell Lava say you're rich, you know. Because I can't me tell. A good girl, though. Me like how she love Camille and love Camille and take care of Camille.
Me like that for true. Me like that.
As he make one look at ads money and the YouTube money, she carry out Camille. Yes. Yeah. Yesterday was Orange Day.
Well, DJ Kid, Dirty Lava, Hero in a book here. Yeah, my Hero book me. Make sure tell Hero say in can book me in a base, put me in a basement, and book me on Spirit Airline like him do your entourage. Now work.
But me book kid and I have to buy one ticket.
Pussy clad. See, you know, already. Come kid, you book yourself. Me call Dan.
Yeah.
Me call Dan. Pussy clad. Man book himself. Dan, where you there? See, the promoter talk say, are you buy a ticket? Dan, where's Dan? Kid, no bother with it. Kid, no bother with it. Yeah, I'm a $50, I have $250 for my kid, and I know I can't get $250 kid. No bother with it.
Hey, Lava.
Yeah,
world dog. Well, one broke me like a spirit.
Nah, man. Nah, my red dog a pussy, man. That's a real dog stain, man. Let me know my pussy to know that.
Real dog. Just all the time no one hear that boy. Lava me did well broke, you know. You see all the time them the way they see me Lava. Me never make no money. Come in here no social. You see me?
Dan. When I see that video, I have to drink some ginger ale. You stick my stomach.
Me too. But me did have Andrews. But you wanna, I like the growth. You see the growth? It show me where I'm coming from.
True.
You understand me? Remember, say I was with a skettle at that time. So when you see what you do with trash, you look like trash. You see, if you do with a good woman who want a man to look good and smell good, my cologne will come here buy for me, you know, that girl that do some fox socks for $200 and $300, you know, brother.
Make sure I see look more the cologne and tear off my nose.
They don't want to hear brother clocks for my foot everywhere I go.
I know that. But hear me I say to you. Hero, our dopes.
I love Hero, my brother. Anywhere we go, you this Hero.
The petty thief them for cut it out.
No, what? Don't be fooled, you know. Me never see them the man that go up on petty robbery yet. Laptop, TV, fridge, and then there's something that real dog come back with.
You must have TV right now?
Rascal, let me show you a real dog thief you come give me today. Hold on.
Pussy clot.
Brand new Dell. You see me? I said, dog, I deal with this, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, what? Yo, we go over one place over Murmur. Dog jump through the blood clot window. Me catching two uncle them. The man said, Dan, let me go. Me a blood clot pro in this. When me let him go, me see Dawg start over so. The man over go right over the Dell. I ease up that. They say, the money are graduating on teeth. This year laptop is for 1,400.
And a free you get it.
Free, my brother. Real dog. Them man that the bodies. Call him, ask him, make him tell you right now. He want teeth a turntable for you.